Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare Nigeria. As a matter of fact, today, my guys, you guys have not seen my skin. You don't see my skin. You don't see my skin. This was me that was darker in 2 weeks ago. And I started from the first day when I came up here. I said I want to lighten my skin up, guys, and I'm using my own product, my new product. And some of the things I use, I want to open up, I want to share it exclusively for you. Our number one, which is Blemish Oil. Yes, you see this Blemish Oil, I told you about Blemish Oil. Don't joke with it. In fact, you don't need to add much of it. Very little. This is a cream that will not, this is an oil that will not give you knuckles, it will not give you any of those irritation. Alright, I don't know if I advise you to use alone. For those of you who want to use oil that you can use alone for your body, you can always contact me, shout me up. I will give you the one that you can use alone. But for this one, don't use alone. Use it to mix your lotion. Are you getting it? Use it to mix your lotion. Yes, this is what we call Blemish Oil. Blemish Oil have the tendency to make you white in 5 days. In 5 days, my people. 5 days. This is upgrade, Blemish Oil. Yes, trust me. I was that. Look, go to watch my videos. You will know what I'm saying. This is not a story that touch. No amount of money I think you can give to me right now that will make me think, oh, maybe I want to scam you or I want to tell you stories. I'm not those part of committee. Alright, I'm only just telling you the product I know. This is my own product, live and direct. So Blemish Oil will make your skin, tone gradually within the 5 days. This is how it works. If you see this, there's this kind of tone that you can see in me right now. If you are in one shade, it will give you plus its own 5 shade, that is 6 shade already. So when you're using it, you should be very slow on it. Don't use it faster. So that's why I said take a little, like one cover should be for one cover should be for about 250 ml. So 2 covers should be for 500 ml is okay. But if you want it to be more faster than that, you can put like 100 ml. Yeah, yes, you can put 100 ml. But I always want slow. In as much the slow, I said 5 days is okay. 5 days is well tested and confirmed. 5 days is okay. So if you're needing a sharp oil, count on us, Blemish Oil. For those of you who want oil, that I want this oil, so oil. Yes, they are expensive, no joke, no doubt. They are expensive. But the truth is that they work. They work. You understand? So bear this in mind that if you use this oil, it will always give you the shade. Your money no loss. It will always give you what you want, the shade you needed. Now I want to show you another one. Now this is Malawi Oil. This Malawi Oil, a lot of people they know about it when I'm making the advert of Malawi Oil all the time. Malawi Oil is the same thing. If you want to use this Malawi Oil alone, you can use it alone. But it's the same thing. Are you getting it? In 5 days, in fact 4 days, 5 days. Let me know. If it doesn't work, call me. I will refund you your money. If it doesn't work, if this oil don't work your lotion, I will refund your money. What does it take? I will refund your money. I will refund your money. You understand? I'm only telling you the good news I get. The good news I get. Yes, the good news I get is this oil, because a lot of people kind of love oil than tubes. Alright? So go for this Malawi or you go for this Blemish. I'll always show you the two, Malawi or Blemish. So make sure that you place your order. We still have more. I'm still coming. I'm still going to show you oil. I will be oil back. Are you getting it? I will be oil back. If it is Cotonou oil, if it is Moscow oil, if it is all these Dubai oils that you know that yes, you'll be hearing from my platform. Honestly, you get them right. I get all of them. I get them. If it is Malaysia oil, I get them. So this is Blemish Oil and this is Malawi Oil. Always have that in mind, that yes, this is the right store to purchase. Why I'm so focused at this store right now, because we're still working on this store, but from next week you will be seeing my videos, will be at the other store. All right, so now I give to you another oil that you can boast of. Collagen Oil. You see, this collagen oil is not like those ones you see for there. I don't want to call name, but those ones you see for there, I don't want to call name. This is collagen oil. There's every tendency that this collagen oil, the same 5 days, you will see the work. And what does collagen does in the body, you know. Are you getting it? It's going to exfoliate everything that you know that's supposed to make your skin shine. It's going to make everything, your skin, look moisturized. It's going to look kinky, sweetie. You know what I mean? A lot of people that, if you don't have collagen inside your lotion, it's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. Yes, your skin will look golden, glowing, because you have collagen. It will reduce every irritant, every inflammatory, those immune system that were weakened somehow is going to rise up. Are you getting it? So it will help to reduce every side effect you have. That is what it does. Are you getting it? So go for your collagen oil now. If you don't have this, make sure you place your order. Okay, now I want to show you one more, which is our some people call it Jojoba Oil. Are you getting it? Some call it Jojoba Oil. Are you getting it? But the right name, yes, is Jojoba Oil. Make sure you always have this. If you don't have collagen or argan oil or almond oil, they are all moisturizing oil. Are you getting it? Before you know it, your skin come beautiful, because sometimes you might be having all this acne, not because of the tube, but just because the formulation missed something, lacks something. Maybe the person didn't put any of those oil. Are you getting it? They put maybe collagen oil, the jojoba oil, or argan oil, any of these essential oil. So that is why it is very necessary. So I urge you, place your order now. We've come to the end of the review. Trust me, us to Global Cosmetic, that's what we know how to do best in doing right now. That is it. A lot of this oils you see on YouTube, make sure you be on the right hand. That's only what I would tell you. Make sure you be on the right hand. We ship everywhere, US, UK, Europe, Asia country, just name it. Wherever you think that you want us to bring oil, bring cosmetic organics for you, trust me. Don't be thinking about it. Should I rely on him? Should I trust him? He's a guy, he's a man. Oh gosh, I haven't seen any man be doing this before. Come on, that's why you need to trust me. Alright? Cheers.